Hi, my name is Gal Rotel and I'm the product manager of K2Base web application. Today I would like to show you the new features of Base 3.1 version. First thing we did was adding about 10 new languages to Base, including Finnish, Slovenian, Turkish, Greek, and many more. So we now have Base translated in about 25 languages. Go to the dashboard. We've added a new context menu to the Open Project option from the menu bar that includes all the Open Project options that you see here on the tiles. So they will be also easily accessible from the menu. And we've added the automatic or auto save option that will help you not lose any data by auto-saving every action you make. We improved the look and feel of the projects list. You can see here with the option also to change the project status from within the list. And we've added the feature to drag and drop projects when using the card view mode. We've also improved the search and filter options of projects on the project list, adding dynamic filters. It means that the first level will be the different roof types or coverings that you have in your workspace. Second level will be the mounting system family. In this case, I'll pick Dome 6. And then we'll have the specific product variant, for example, the Dome 610. And I'll get the result of all the projects that have at least one roof, including this system. We've updated the new project creation, starting with providing an address and capturing the satellite image for your project right on the project page. We've also enabled the Street View mode wherever it's available to give you additional reference. Another major change we did is putting the load page right after the project page, meaning that the calculation of the wind and snow load is now being done only once and not per roof. Also, the detection of the wind and snow load zones are being automatically done by Base. The only thing we need to manually select here is the terrain category, which really project specific. Another feature we've added is the option to undo and redo your actions during the design. So whenever I make a change, I can undo either from the menu bar or using keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-Z or Y to undo or redo respectively. For tile roof, in the results page, we've added the option to manually select the screw length. And for mini rail projects, we now also automatically calculate the need for 3 rails instead of 2 rails, depending on the wind load. This can also be done manually. For flat roofs, actually, for any roof, we've added also a label here specifying the limitations of the module dimensions for a selected system, and also some better handling in case I will input a module dimension that is not possible for the system. In the summary page, we've made several changes to the bill of materials. So in multi-roof projects, it is now possible to edit each roof bill of material individually. including adding any custom line items. This is done by just adding an article that is not part of the price list, for example, a cable duct, and providing the quantity. We've also added a sales unit information and a price per kilowatt. The combined bill of material can still be edited for the project discount. In addition to that, we've also now support a CAD export option that lets you pick a roof or all of them and export into a DXF or DWG format that you can later customize with your own CAD software. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.